Ready to break free from blockchain borders and take your Solana to Polygon. First, make sure you have your Phantom Wallet installed and funded with the Solana you want to swap. If you don't have Phantom Wallet installed, go to Phantom app. Next, open your Phantom Wallet and locate the swap option represented by the exchange icon, usually found at the bottom in the center of the interface. Now, initiate a cross-chain swap using a bridging service like Jupiter Aggregator that supports Solana to Polygon transfers within the swap interface. Select Solana as the asset you're paying with. Then choose Polygon or MATIC as the asset you want to receive. You'll need a wallet address on the Polygon network, which you can find in your receiving wallet. Then, enter the amount of SOL you want to convert. The interface should display the estimated amount of MATIC you'll receive. Review the transaction details carefully, paying close attention to the fees involved. Once you're comfortable with everything, confirm the swap within your Phantom Wallet. After the transaction confirms on the Solana network, which may take a few minutes, your MATIC should appear in your designated Polygon wallet. Now you can explore all the opportunities Polygon has to offer.